Recessed floor plugs with flip-up covers are available for residential use in wood floors. A few options include the Leviton 40502-W, a recessed floor box with two duplex outlets featuring a flip-up cover with a tab for easy opening and is available in white. Another option is the Seymour 5122-TV, a recessed floor box with one duplex outlet and one television outlet with a flip-up cover with a groove for cords, available in black or white. Finally, there is the Hubbell Bell HV812, a recessed floor box with two duplex outlets and one universal serial bus outlet featuring a flip-up cover with a groove for cords, available in black or white. The recessed design allows the plug to be flush with the floor surface, creating a more seamless appearance. Flip-up cover protects the outlets from dust and debris when not in use. The groove in the cover allows for the plug to be inserted and removed without having to open the cover fully. These recessed floor plugs are typically installed in the floor using a hole saw. The box is then secured in place with screws or bolts. The outlets are then installed into the box and the flip-up cover is attached. It is important to choose a recessed floor plug that is designed for the specific type of flooring. For example, some plugs are designed specifically for hardwood floors, while others are designed for tile or carpet.